I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm working with a girl who has behavior problems. When she stops a behavior, my instinct is to thank her, but that seems to make her mad. Is there something I'm missing? Don't thank her. No, really, seriously. I know how hard that seems. Like, we were kind of told to be always nice, like please and thank you, and, really appreciate when a child turns the corner or turns around that problem behavior. But I want you to think about how that is received and how it feels. Let's say you're struggling with something and you really don't want to do it, or it's something that's really hard for you. And so you just put it together and you just go in there and you do it. And then someone says, why, thank you. It's like, you explode, because it kind of feels like putting kerosene on hot coals. When somebody turns a corner on a real problem behavior, a child or anyone for that matter, and they just take control and they do what they're supposed to do, back off from the thank you, because the immediate thank you is kind of a power struggle. It means that they did it for you. Let them have the win. If you want to take that child aside later and say, hey, listen, earlier today, you know what? That went off really well. That's okay. But when you start thanking them, like, thanks for a good choice, thank you, whatever, it may come across as, oh, wait a second, I lost that battle. That wasn't where I was going. Let them have the win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.